Hello, welcome to my channel. Well, today we're in the village in Portsmouth. We're going to show you what to expect in their new style rooms. Now, all the rooms tend to be 15 square metres. The club room, though, has a bigger bed. One of the things I really like about the village is the technology. So, number one, you've got control of your own temperature, both heat and air conditioning. And certainly in the UK this year, that has been essential to have access to air conditioning. So please like, share and subscribe and come back every day for more fun here on my channel. Hope you found that useful. Any questions, send them below. All the village hotels, when they're done up, all now have the same format. So as long as you join their club, you get free parking, you get free very fast internet. And of course, you're only paying a little bit more than a budget hotel. You will get a great breakfast and you have access to the pool and the gym. The club room also has a Dyson fan. It has Alexa. Yeah, I thought she was going to get confused there. You have tea and coffee making facilities. Now you are really tight on space for storage. You know, that is your wardrobe. So you have to be quite careful where you're putting everything. You have a mega telly. And then you have this sort of pod bathroom at the end. Now, a lot of people don't realise this switch here will make it go opaque. So if you don't want to see the person on the loo or showering, you can push the button there. If you're on your own and you want to have the max amount of light coming into the room, then to push the button, that glass goes clear. You have a very nifty little loo and basin, but you do get a really large shower. So there's plenty of room in there to wash and dry. You have an extractor fan that actually extracts, which is really good. You've got plenty of bits and pieces there. So I really like the village. I say, when you think you're spending perhaps £30–40 more than some of the real budget hotels, and you're really going to sweat it out in the summer where you don't have access to air conditioning and you certainly don't have a pool or fantastic breakfast. So I've not been paid or incentivised in any way by village hotels. I just quite like them.